Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys an update on my onion juice journey for hair growth. And this week we're actually trying out a red onion. I use it just to see if there would be any difference or just to compare it to the yellow onion since that's what we did on week 1. This red onion was actually bigger than my last yellow onion, so I didn't have to use more than one. And if you watch video number 1, you'll see it's actually easier to squeeze out than the first onion. If this is your first time tuning in, I'll go ahead and link the video up above and in the description box so that you can catch up and see why we're using onions for hair growth. So this big red onion gave me about 1 cup's worth of onion juice. And this week I'm actually using these essential oils. I got this kit for about $20 at Publix. So I went a little bit heavy on the essential oils this week because I didn't want to smell any onions in my hair after washing it or even days after. So I started with peppermint because it's said to improve hair growth and prevent hair loss. Also, it moisturizes a dry scalp. Lavender because I love lavender and it helps with growth, thickness, and to prevent an itchy scalp or dandruff. Also, I use a little bit of tea tree because it's said to have an antifungal agent that can help with itchiness or to prevent dandruff. Okay, and just like we did last time, I'm going to do a smell test to see how this smells. I can tell you that off the bat, the red onion definitely smells less stronger than the yellow onion, and it was definitely easier to juice. Like, it was just easier to squeeze out. So right now, I'm just even near it, and I don't even smell the onion. I'm actually smelling the essential oils, but now that I blended it, I'm just going to go in and take a whiff. Okay, so this smells like a peppermint candy. I smell no onion, like zero. I'm already kind of becoming a bigger fan of the red onion so far. So let's go ahead and get this going. So I'm coming to you live from my bathroom, and I already have the onion juice in this spray bottle. So to protect my clothes from smelling like anything or obviously getting anything on me, I'm going ahead and using a towel and just a little clip. So let's start this out the way that we did before. So this is my hair right now. It's dirty. And I'm going to start out right there at the edges where I kind of want that growth to begin. And this time I'm leaving my gloves on because definitely don't want my hands to smell like onion for the next day or two. So I am going ahead and putting this on. And just spraying it, I can tell you right now that this doesn't smell at all like onions. It has peppermint, it has lavender and tea tree. That's what I'm smelling. I'm not smelling the onion, which is really good. I'm already going through the application a lot smoother than last time when I try to use that hair dye applicator tip. So this is good. I feel like my eyes are starting to get just a little watery. And it's a combination, not just of the onion, but I feel like the essential oils, as you guys know, essential oils are pretty strong too. So I feel like it's kind of like a minty feeling on my eyeballs, and that could be the peppermint. Right now, I feel like I smell like somebody's mother's home-cooked meal. But I'm hoping that after obviously washing and conditioning and all that good stuff today, I'm going to try to use a lot more smell good stuff today so that I make sure I have nothing of onion in my hair. Ooh, child. That peppermint is strong. Okay, so now that I've saturated my hair, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a ponytail. And yes, my eyes are watery. Like I said, I think it's more the peppermint than anything that's like irritating my eyes right now. But just wanted to give you guys an update on this. So I didn't bring a plastic cap with me in the bathroom, but I'm going to go ahead and already leave this up. I'm going to put it in a shower cap, leave it on for an hour, and then wash in style. And once I do that, then I'll come back and give you my thoughts on what this second week, you know, what the first week brought and what the second week is feeling like, and give you guys some updates. So I'll be right back. Another tip for you guys, just make sure that you're opening those windows to let out some air and get that smell of onion juice out of your house. Otherwise, it'll linger for a few days. Okay, so it's been a few days since my second onion juice application. And honestly, life just got hectic that day that I was filming. So I wasn't able to give you guys a right away update. But I do feel like this is actually a little bit better, because that way I have 2 full weeks and some additional days to let you guys know everything that I have noticed since then. Okay, so this second time around, as you guys saw, I used a red onion instead of a yellow onion, and maybe you guys are wondering if there was any difference between one and the other. The first difference that I noticed is that when I was cutting the red onion, it didn't have a strong smell. I didn't feel like I did the first time. I wasn't crying. I didn't have that strong, you know, smell to it. And once I mixed the essential oils, it kind of just like died everything down. I did have to open up the windows, as you saw, because regardless, onions are onions and they're going to smell, right? So even mixing them with essential oils, just know that you'll have some hint of onion in there. And second thing that I noticed is, for whatever reason, the red onion, it did not smell the day that I was using it, cutting it. I wasn't crying, but like it seemed to linger longer than the yellow onion. I washed my hair like 3 times this week because I got a haircut as well. You guys can't tell, I have a bun. But I got a haircut this week, and even washing it like 3 times this week, I could still smell a hint of onion whenever my hair gets wet. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, even if you mask the smell, I feel like there's still gonna be some type of hint of onion smell that you're gonna be able to smell on yourself. So for the first 2 or 3 days before I did another wash, my kids were like, I can still smell it, I can still smell it, I can still smell it with the red onion. When I shampooed my hair, my daughter said she couldn't smell it at all. I feel like, you know how like when you cook and you still have like this smell of food on you? That's exactly how I feel. Like I can smell something on me. Even though others might not, I can. So just be aware of that. So if you are thinking about doing this and you're maybe quarantined completely by yourself, you have no one around, and honestly you just don't mind, you want all the benefits, but you don't mind kind of smelling this after scent of onion from time to time. I'm not gonna say it's always, because right now I don't even smell anything. I just feel like whenever I wet my hair, like if I'm gonna do it, I smell it. Maybe it's just me. My nostrils might be really like sensitive, but if you are wanting all the benefits of the onion juice and you don't mind, then this might be for you. I'm just not trying to lie to you and say you're not gonna smell it at all. You're still gonna smell like a peachy rose or whatever. You might still smell it. Others may not, but you might. Just letting you know. Now, some good observations that I have made is that my hair, to me, I feel like it looks darker. And my hair is already like really dark. It's naturally black. I haven't dyed my hair in over 7 years. And I feel like for some reason it looks really rich, really dark. So I have read and I have seen from a couple videos that it's supposed to help like with premature graying and kind of covering up grays. So this might be a benefit that you would want to try, because I can tell you, even with my super dark hair, I feel like it's made it look richer, more darker, if that makes sense. Another observation I've made is that in my hairline, which is what we really wanted, what I really wanted is to see more coverage or more hair growing. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but I feel like my baby hairs look fuller. I don't know, as if they're growing or maybe new growth is coming in, but I've been looking in the mirror every day and doing this, you know, like trying to see, and I feel like for some reason it's getting a little fuller. Maybe it could just be me being hopeful, but I don't know if y'all see what I see. Let me know in the comments, but I feel like it's getting a little fuller, and I'm so happy about that because this is really the reason why I wanted to try onion juice to begin with. The men in my family naturally have this receding hairline that kind of starts here, and I felt like, oh my god, am I gonna be subject to that too? So when I lost that chunk of hair because, you know, after giving birth, I felt like that was it. It's not coming back. It's over. I'm bald. I don't know, like it might be coming back. It might be growing in. What do you think? Okay, another awesome benefit that I noticed is less shedding. The first wash after that initial first onion juice application, I washed my hair like maybe 3 or 4 days later, and there was way less hair that came out. I was shocked. Even like my middle child was like, that's not a lot. And I normally have like, I feel like a good amount of shedding every wash day. But to be fair, and just to let you know, because I am who I am and I keep feeling like, I don't know, I don't want the scent of onion on me, I have had to wash more. Just so you guys know, I normally wash my hair every 7 days, and this is no joke. Like, I'm lazy with my hair, so every 7 days is when I wash my hair. But since I started onion juice, I feel like I wanted to wash more just because of the paranoia of I don't want to smell like onion. So I've been going maybe every 3 or 4 days washing my hair and trying to get, you know, some type of smell goods on my hair, just so that way I'm masking everything and I'm not walking around the house smelling like arroz con pollo. The one thing that really indicated to me that I was shedding a lot less is that this past week I straightened my hair. I don't know if this happens to you guys, but anytime that I run my fingers through my hair, or even if I just touch my hair, I automatically have like hair that sheds. So when I straightened my hair this past week, I was for sure thinking, you know, if I run my hands through my hair, I'm gonna have so much shedding. But I actually didn't, which was crazy to me. So I feel like already onion juice is working. I've actually thought about, I don't know, if maybe incorporating rice water and onion juice at the same time. I've been thinking about, should I switch onion juice for rice water so that way I'm still getting benefits but not walking around smelling like food. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. So this week I'm going to skip onion juice because my birthday is right around the corner, and honestly I don't want to smell like food or think I smell like food when I'm trying to look cute. So I'm gonna wait for you guys' feedback on this video. Let me know in the comments if you A, want me to switch onion juice for rice water, B, want me to incorporate rice water and onion juice, or C, look for all other types of alternatives because maybe that's even an option. I have explored some that may be less messy, less DIY, and I think I found 2 so far that I wanted to share. Not that I purchased for myself, but just that I wanted to share in case you guys want alternative options. That's it for this week, guys. I'll keep you guys posted on my progress. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.